You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. So here we have two circles, and this is the direct common tangent, that's AB, and this is the radius, that is A and B as well in the small letter. So we join the two centers, and this is the tangent, and this is 90 degree, as radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact. Now I will draw a perpendicular line from the center of the smaller circle to the radius of the bigger one. Now if all three angles are 90 degree, then fourth angle must be 90 degree as well. Now this length is A plus B, and now for calculating this length, we know that this length is B and this is A, so this length also A, so this length will be B minus A. Now this is what? Perpendicular. This length is h square, this is base, that is b square, and this is perpendicular, so p square, and it is 90 degree. Now arrange these terms to form Pythagoras theorem, that is h square is equal to p square plus b square, that is a plus b the whole square, that is h square, hypotenuse square, is equal to p square, that is p square, plus b square, that is b minus a the whole square. Now solve it. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to p square plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now cut a square and b square from both sides and send minus 2ab in the RHS. That become 4ab is equal to p square, and its root 4ab is equal to p. Now p is equal to 4 comes out, becomes 2 root AB, and now we know that perpendicular is what? The length of the tangent AB, so we can write AB is equal to 2 root AB, and AB is what? The radius of both circles. So this is the formula for calculating the length of the direct common tangent. Hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.